Everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to add to wishlist on Temu. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your Temu application. So once you've opened up your Temu application here, so what you're going to do, so now scroll down and look for something that you want to add to your wish list. So I'm just picking out, let me choose something that I can add to my wish list. Probably I'll choose, this one here, probably these sunglasses. That's fine. So what I have to do now, on my top right here there is a heart symbol, so I just simply have to tap that in order to add it to my wish list. That heart symbol is the wish list. So here I just need to select my style here, maybe the style and quantity, or just select something because I need to select it in order to add it to my wish list. So I need to select my preferences and then hit on add to wish list, and that's it. It's been added to my wish list. So now if I want to check this, so I can always go back to my my U tab here. So click on my U tab, and then if I go to my wish list, I can always check my it's under there, my item is there. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.